Welcome to the lab. This ain't just a beat, it's a blueprint. If you ever wanted to make music with AI, this right here is your step by step. First things first, hit the site Suno.ai. Sign up free, no need to verify. Dashboard clean, just a couple of clicks. You one idea away from your first hit. Top left corner, tap create. You'll see a prompt box, don't hesitate. Type of vibe or genre, or a mood like dark trap beat with a gospel groove. Pick your model, V5's the latest, faster, smarter. And it sounds outrageous, hit generate, then let it ride. 2 tracks drop, pick your favorite side. You can preview, loop, or download fast. MP3 or we make the moment last. No plugins, no dog, no stress, just you and the vision. Suno does the rest. It's a Suno school where the beats get built from a single idea to a track that's skilled. Whether you're brand new or a seasoned vet, this is your guide, ain't no secrets kept. From prompt to playback, we break it down, turn your thoughts into sound. No need to drown in gear of gatekeeping, just bring your flame. Cause with tools like this, you can change the game. Now let's dive deeper, past the basics with the real ones. Tweak and shape it, click remix if you want a new spin. Keep the lyrics, change the beat within. Try custom mode if you got your own flow. Upload vocals, let the engine know. It'll match your cadence, your tone, your key. Like a silent partner in your symphony. Wanna guide the vibe, use style love, like in the style of Drake or Johnny Love. Add instruments, buttons like guitar, real lakes. River sip on Mars, you can even set the tempo in the key. Slow ballad in C with a swingy beat. It's not just random, you ascend and play. You're the architect, Suno lays the clay. It's Suno school where the beats get built from a single idea to a track that's skilled. Whether you're brand new or a seasoned vet, this is your guide, ain't no secrets kept. From prompt to playback, we break it down, turn your thoughts into sound. No need to drown in gear of gatekeeping, just bring it flame. Cause with tools like this, you can change the game. Now let's talk prompts. That's the real art. It's the seed you plant to make the magic start. Be clear, be vivid, be bold, be true. The more you give, the more it gives you. Use quotes for lyrics. I was raised by the river, baptized in paint. That tells the motto what to maintain. Then edge your vibe pretty southern slow. Now it knows the feel in the tempo flow. On a chorus, same clue to work and make it catchy like a radio book. Add structure, verse, chorus, bridge. It'll build it out like a pro in the studio. Sticking tags, mood, genre, tone. Knowing time to trap with a slide trombone. It's not just tech, it's a new kind of pen. You're still the rider just with more zen. You don't need a label, a booth or a deal, just a story to tell and the wheel to feel. Soon knows the canvas, your words to paint. So speak your truth, raw, loud, and quaint. This is Suno school where the beats get built from a single idea to a track that's skilled. Whether you're brand new or a seasoned vet, this is your guide, ain't no secrets kept. From prompt to playback, we break it down, turn your thoughts into sound. No need to drown in gear of gatekeeping, just bring your flame. Cause with tools like this, you can change the game. So write your truth, let the rhythm unfold.